What's up, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new episode here on my channel. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Jay, and this is my fun calisthenics journey. So today I was really bored, and I was looking online for some parallettes. I had some, and they just, I gave them to my nephew. But I found some wooden ones, and I found some other cool ones on Amazon. And for some reason, they just weren't really catching my attention. So then I went on YouTube, of course, to do some research on how to make some. And some of you said it was cheap. It wasn't. I mean, but granted, I did spend a little bit more on the pipe. I got ABS piping. So I'm going to show you guys right now what they look like. The total came out to $115 and some change at Home Depot. It did require 5 pipes, of course, 8 caps, 4 T's, and then 4 of those little wedge hook thingies. Let me just show you guys. So these are my new J bars. I barely put them together right now, so they're drying up. But I'm gonna fix them up, maybe make them look a little nicer. But these are pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie to you. I like how I got the height. They're not too tall. They're not too low. They're pretty decent for what they are. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a few workouts with it. We'll put it to the test, and we'll see how well they do, you guys. So let's get to work. Okay, let's go ahead and test out the new J bars. First things first, let's measure it out from the elbow, 3 fingers in. Let's bring them in a little bit more, and just a tad more. I think right there is pretty cool. All right, first things first, you guys. Let's go with some push-ups. Let's get that in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, it's good for the push-ups. I like it. What I do like so far is the length of it. I mean, especially when I like to do the tiger bends, the handstands, because your forearm can just hit here, and the bar is like not too thin, not too thick. It's like really comfortable. The pipe, the bar, the pipe. All right, let's go for explosiveness. 1, 2, 3, 5. Boom. All right. All right, I like it. All right, all in all, I want to say for these being DIY built, they're not bad. They're really good. I'm pretty tired from yesterday, but for what we did today, just little basic drills. We're gonna break them in. I'm gonna, of course, add some cool tape to it, make it a little more, sturdy. But it's already pretty damn sturdy alone. I just think it'll look cooler with tape. And yeah, all in all, you will see me do more videos with these. I actually like them a lot. They're cool. So it's worth the $115 and some change. Not bad. Probably a little crooked, but it's all good. All right, guys, thanks for watching so much to put my fun little new J bars to the test. If you guys want a pair, you want me to make you some, I'll make it, but I am going to charge you like 50 bucks more. Not going to lie to you. It took some time. But all right, back to work. So see you guys later. Thanks for watching.